Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. I'm in Toulouse for 24 hours, so I'm gonna be sharing with you what are the best things that you can do. So, on y va! Start your day by visiting Marché Victor Hugo. This market is probably the most famous in Toulouse. It is incredible just to walk around and see all the options available. It was a good way to start our day, not only because we wanted to visit the market, but we also had some breakfast before heading to our next stop. Alrighty, next, take a free walking tour. Free walking tours are one of the best ways to learn about the history of a city. Another thing that I love about free walking tours is that you get recommendations from the tour guide of places to eat or other things that you should visit that are not part of the tour. But if you don't have the time to take this tour, make sure that you at least visit some of the places that I'm about to show you. Time to have some lunch. One piece of advice, make sure you have lunch before 3 p.m. because most restaurants in all over France will close service at that time and they don't reopen until 7 p.m. We went to Satine, a restaurant recommended by the tour guide, and it was really good. Let me show you what we got. Alrighty, after a great lunch, it was time to visit Basilique Saint-Sernin. This 11th century church is truly amazing. Its architecture is full of Romanesque details. It has a crypt that you have to visit, and it also has an 1888 organ that if it's playing when you walk in, is gonna give you goosebumps. After a really long day, now it was time to have dinner. So, let me show you the place we visited and what we ate. Alright guys, that's it for Toulouse. I hope this video helps you if you're visiting this beautiful city. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.